Okay. So guys, till now we completed the simple report and advanced report. Okay. Let's move to the matrix report, guys. Let's move to the matrix report. So matrix report is nothing but a summarization report, guys. Matrix report is nothing but a summarization report. Also, it will allow to see the detailed data as well as a different view by options based on the business requirement. Okay. Matrix report is nothing but a summarization report. Okay. And it will also allow to see the detailed data section as well as a different view by options based on business requirement. Okay. And this matrix report majorly we are using for the management dashboards or stakeholders reports. Okay. This will majorly using for the higher level management, you know, higher level management dashboard reports. Okay. For example, let's take the out of subject, guys. Anybody can speak out. You are a small person, correct? And you may have a multiple bank accounts. Maybe you have a salary account. You have some other account at your hometown. You have a salary account. You have a credit card. Okay. So generally, how you will verify the your account balance details? Always you are checking the a complete detailed data statement, or you are looking some high level summarization view. So generally, how you will verify your data? What is your credit card outstanding balance, and what is the due date, and what is the minimum amount you have to pay? So generally, even if you are checking your saving account, what is your outstanding balance? Okay. So you always checking summarization view, or you are always checking the a very detailed statement, detailed data.
Summarization view only.
Summarization. Just see the summarization.
Perfect. See now, you also checking the most of the time summarization. Correct. Whenever you need some clarity, then you click on the view details. Correct, and see the a detailed information. When was the credited? When was the debited? Is happened. Correct. Perfect. Similarly, in company level, in a company level, company chairman, company CEO, managing directors, sales directors, HR directors, finance directors, they always see the data initially high level summarization. High level summarization. For example, see headcount. Headcount by country. I want to see the summarization. See each country how many headcount we have. Correct or not? So this is the high level view. Okay, and see you can see top suppliers spend category. Guys, you can see who is the a top level spending. See na, which supplier we are spending more amount. See, market research, Apex Solutions, Grant, so AT&T. So these all the different suppliers we are paying, okay, high level amount. So which particular vendor we are paying top level, correct? See, 29% of amount we are paying for this particular customer, sorry, supplier. This is for a top 10 suppliers which we are paying for last 2 years or 4 years, something like this. You can see a top customers, okay, top 10 customers by revenue, okay. So you can see, I'm not seeing anything because, okay, maybe this user doesn't have access because I log in as the HR system, HR user. That's why I'm unable to get. You can see top 10 suppliers, top 10 customers, okay, and you can see the terminations, promotions, correct? Promotions, hires, so promotions, terminations, performance review, benefit elections, compensation ratios. See, compensation ratio. We can see, are we really pay for the compensation ratios? See, comp ratio summary. Okay, you can see how many people are exactly at midpoint range and below midpoint range people this and above midpoint range. These 2 to 12 members are getting highest salaries because of their salary grade. See, their salary is actually the salary range is their expected 10 lakhs, but these people are getting more than that. So then the midpoint range, above midpoint range salary people. A single report can see the a complete summarization details. The complete summarization details. Yes, we will use the matrix report. Matrix report is nothing but a summarization report, and it will also allow to see the a detailed data as well as a different view by options based on the business requirement. Okay, perfectly nice. It's very simple. Most of the higher level management always see the data in a summarization view, high level view. In case if they want to see the detailed information, they can also click on the detailed data. They can see the detailed information. So those options can be arranged by matrix reports. Matrix report. Okay. For example, very simple guys. You can take this is a table. Okay. It's a table guys. So these are the A related rows, correct? And this is the B related row, B related row, C related row. And whatever you see in the yellow color, these all related to A rows, right? Yeah. So how you are going to grouping by A? See, A row grouping. See, A all the rows will be combined. See, the 54 is coming. Correct or not? See, 6, 6, 12, 12 plus 12, 24, 24 plus 30, 54 is coming. It means A related row, all the rows will combine. You will get the row total is nothing but 54. Okay. So grouping, column grouping, guys. So A related columns, because see guys, it's a these all the rows, right? Yes or no? And these all the columns. So in case if you want to see a column grouping, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 5, 9. See this column 9, 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 this column 9. Overall 54. Correct or not? The row grouping and column grouping should be matched. Correct or not? Should be match. That's what. Whatever the logic you are looking, it should be available. Okay. So if you take this as a table, guys, and A related rows, if you want to combine, you can combine, and A related columns also, if you want to combine, you can combine. Okay. The look and feel will come like this. Okay. Create custom report. The report type as matrix. So please unselect this checkbox. Okay, let me take the all active and terminated workers. Okay, all active and terminated workers. If you click on OK, the matrix report look and feel like this. You can see row grouping, you can see column grouping, and the summarizations. And the summarization. This is the logic behind the matrix report. So this is the logic behind the matrix report. As I said, right? See, row grouping and the column grouping, and then the summarizations. Okay, for example, I have a requirement. I would like to see the I would like to see the each company wise, all active and terminated workers count. I would like to see the each company wise, all active and terminated workers count. So in this particular requirement, what is my row grouping expression? I would like to see each company wise, all active and terminated workers count. Anybody can speak out.
Company is the row,
Uh,
headcount is the column.
Row grouping is company, correct? Perfect.
Yes.
Summarization, count of all active and terminated workers count, correct? Correct.
Yes.
This is what your summarization. Row grouping is company, summarization is count of all active and terminated workers count, correct? That's what I business would like to see each company wise all active and terminated workers count. That's what the requirement. So what is your row grouping expression? Company. See guys, whatever data source you selected, the associated data source type, the associated primary business object, sorry, associated business object get defaulted as a primary business object. From this particular primary business object fields, you are going to use in the row grouping or column grouping expressions and also summarizations. Okay. Yeah. So as per your requirement, your row grouping expression is company, and then what is summarization? Count, right? Which count? Which count we are looking for?
All active and
All active
terminated
and
All
workers.
active and
terminated.
terminated workers. See, na? If you okay, use see what is the default summarization is available. Count is the default summarization. If you click one more plus button, by default count only it will come. See, you can see the summarizations is nothing but maximum, minimum, average, correct or not? Sum. You can see all these arithmetic aggregated functions, correct? So count is the default one. For example, if you are looking for sum, here it is asking system, okay, which particular field sum you are looking for. In case you are looking for maximum value, system is asking which particular summarization field maximum value you are looking for. In case if you are looking for average value, okay, which particular summarization field average value you are looking for. If you selected, if you selected the average calculations, count distinct, sorry, the calculations, which particular summarization field calculation you are looking for. Except count function, remaining all summarization field types, all summarization types must be required the summarization field type. Okay. For example, you selected the sum. Okay, which particular field sum you are looking for? You selected maximum. Which particular field's maximum value you are looking for? Average. Which particular summarization field average you are looking for? But count is not asking any summarization field. Correct or not? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very simple. This count will take the count will take the by defaultly data source count. What is your data source? What is your data source?
All
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 active
active.
and
active and
terminated work.
terminated workers. That's the specialty of the count summarization type. The count usually won't support the summarization field. The count will take by defaultly data source count. Data source count. Can I delete other ones? Hope you understand the difference between count and remaining summarizations. Yeah, remaining summarization types must and should define the which particular field type you are looking for. Correct or not? But
Yes, sir.
coming to count to summarization, no need to specify the summarization field. No need to specify the summarization field. Okay. So this particular count function should always go to data source count. Okay, perfect. See, now your requirement is matching, right? Business would like to see each company wise count. Which count? It will take data source count, all active and terminated workers count. See now? See guys? Online people, hope you understand.
Yes,
Now
sir.
you can see. Now you can see the. Now you can see the each company wise. Each company wise, all active and terminated workers count. We are able to see that. See now? In USA, 245 members we have. In UK, 45 members we have. In France, 37. In Blanc, 32 people. Canada, 28. See, these 32 people, they did not enter any company. That's why these all are in Blanc company. Okay. Okay. So this is the a matrix report. The basic definitions. Matrix report is nothing but a summarization report. Summarization report. It will also allow to see the detailed data as well as a different view by options based on the business requirement. We will see tomorrow, don't worry. What is the detailed data and what is a different view by options? We will see tomorrow, don't worry. Okay? Yeah. Just understand the basic definition. Okay? Okay, let me go to matrix report number 2. Go to duplicate session. Okay. The requirement is anybody can think and let me know. My business would like to see only active employees count. Each company wise active employees count. How can I get it?
All active workers.
You can take only active employees. You can take only active employees data source, correct? Click on OK. What is your row grouping expression? Company. And this will take count. By defaultly summarization is count. So this count will take by defaultly data source count, correct? And yeah. Now you can run the report and see the result. See, in USA, only active employees 190 people, correct? And here 245. Because this 245, it includes both active and terminated, correct? But here it includes only active employees. Okay, guys? Okay. The next one is business would like to see each company wise open job requisition count. How can I get that? How many number of jobs are open for each company wise? How can I see this information, guys? Version number 3, matrix report. What data source we can use? All job requisition. Correct or not? Business would like to see each company wise open job requisition count. Correct or not? What is your row grouping expression? Online people.
Company, sir.
Company is your row grouping expression. Okay, and count it will take. Okay, this count by defaultly will take the all job requisition count. But you are looking for only open job requisition. Can I apply the filter condition?
Yes, sir.
Job requisition status.
Let's select list.
We are looking only for open job requisitions. That's it. You are able to get the company wise count of all job requisition, but you apply the filter condition open only, then you can see how many jobs which are open for each company. There are 58 jobs are open, but not restricted any company. But coming to 21 jobs which are open under USA, in France 7 and Mexico 5. Okay, so Dinesh Global Netherlands 4 and see Germany, Japan. Each company, how many jobs which are open, you can see a single report. Correct or not? Yeah. So do you understand the concept of how you are going to take the group by expression, row grouping, and how the summarization count should work? The count should always take the data source count. Correct or not? Online people.
Yes, sir.
Yes, bro.
Sir.
Yeah, perfect. Go to custom report and edit. Go to filter condition. If you remove this one, so by defaultly you are getting the each company wise total how many job requisitions are there, all will come 238 to 67 or 20. But these few things already filled, right? As per your requirement, we would like to see only open job requisitions. Correct or not? You can apply the filter condition to check, make sure the job requisition status must be open. Correct or not? Your company chairman, your company CEO wants to see each company how many jobs are open only. And we don't want to see the already filled the positions. Correct or not? It depends on what their condition. We can try to arrange that condition and see that particular summarization only. Okay? Okay, guys? Perfect, guys. Hope you understand. I created multiple matrix reports. Then you understand what is happening. Okay? Yeah, perfect. Now I'm going to a few algorithms one by one, and let's see how much you are able to understand this concept. Okay? So now can I go to these requirements one by one and see how we are able to see this information? I would like to see how many people understand this concept now. Okay?
Works.
Requirement is business would like to see the details of each company wise active and terminated employees headcount. How can I get it? Hmm?
Company,
Okay.
and we would like to take active and terminated employees in the data source
Mhm.
in summarization in the count.
Mhm. Anybody can guess any other things?
I think make sure that report is in matrix.
Yeah, that's okay. Yeah. Report type is matrix. Just tell me some basic things here, whatever you understand. How you are going to build this logic. Tell me whatever your local language is also fine, but I need to understand how many
I
people.
think headcount will be in filter.
This is the requirement. How you are going to build that? Man, I need some basic things here. Okay, we'll create report as a matrix. Row grouping is company. Count is a summarization. And count will take the by defaultly all active and terminated workers data source. So better we can use the all active and terminated workers count. This is what you people. I explain the concept. Again, I'm asking how much you are able to understand. Nobody is not properly replying. At least one or two people trying, but I don't know. I don't know why Krishna Chaitanya. Hello. I don't know why Krishna Chaitanya joining 3-4 times. Why every time you are left on again you are joining. Teaching is very painful, yeah, seriously. Teaching is very painful. I'm 100% putting my efforts and explaining the concept very easiest way, but nobody is not trying to catch up is very painful. Very painful, seriously. I explain the concept very clearly. I show you the 3 reports and I asked this requirement how you are able to build this. Nobody is not saying that. Yeah, we'll take companies a row grouping expression. All active and terminated workers is the count summarization, and we'll take the all active and terminated workers data source, and row grouping is company, and count is the summarization feed. That count will by default to take the data source. Nobody is not telling these words. I don't know, man. Seriously, it's very difficult to give more information going forwards. A simple concept if you people are not understand, I don't know how you people are going to managing with the integration piece. BTech students, degree students, MBA, MCA, minimum degree students are not able to think very basic level logical things. I don't know. Even if you are going to testing side, you understand the business requirements. You read the BRD, business required documentations, and you are going to prepare your test cases, and you always learning some new things. You always execute those text scenarios, and this is not at all easy, correct? Even testing is also somewhat difficult. And any job, if any particular job, okay, you have to do something. Similarly, when it comes to be workday, and you're ready to learn the new things, the matrix report is nothing but a summarization report. I said very clearly, and I gave an example. I don't know, 26 people joined, 1 or 2 people are guessing at least some basic, okay, but nobody is not guessing properly. So that is not the correct way to listen the classes. Seriously, you are not really following the sessions. I'm especially asking this requirement how we are able to do this. It means 26 people are joined the sessions, 1 or 2 people at least guessing, but if others are not guessing it, what it is mean? They not understand the concept. Online people, you did not understand the concept.
No, sir, it's clear, sir.
Yeah, understand, sir.
Yeah, it is clear, sir.
It is clear,
Yeah,
sir.
it's clear, sir.
Okay, let's see. So now this is the requirement. If you receive this requirement as a developer, what you understand? Okay, business would like to see the each company wise active and terminated employees headcount. It means, yeah, you have to create the, let's create the custom report. Create custom report RR underscore 128 underscore matrix report. Okay, let's create the matrix report directly. So please select the report type as a matrix. As per the business requirement, we would like to select the all active and terminated workers. Click on OK. As per the requirement, we would like to see each company wise all active and terminated workers head count means count summarization. See na? Company is my row grouping and count is by defaultly there. That count will take the data source count. And click on OK to run. Now we can see the each company wise, all active and terminated workers count. We are able to see that. Okay, perfect, guys. The next one is, see, that's what, see, one row grouping we are using, that's the company. Okay, okay, perfect. The second one, second requirement. See the second requirement. Listen carefully, you understand some logic. Business would like to see each company wise active and terminated employees head count, correct?
Yes, sir.
In that company, we will also see the gender wise headcount also. So the requirement is business would like to see each company wise active and terminated employees headcount. In that company, we will also see the gender wise headcount. See, so this is your row grouping expression and count is the summarization, correct or not?
Yes.
Yes.
See,
Yes.
I did the same thing, correct or not? Now in
Yes.
that company, we will also see the gender wise headcount. It means gender is the column group by expression, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
What
Yes.
exactly they are looking for? First they would like to see each company wise all active and terminated workers. In this 245 or this 45 or this 37 in company, how many gender wise count? Like how many male people are there? How many female people are there? You want to see that, correct or not? That's what they're looking for. So initially they want to see each company wise all active and terminated workers. In this company, we will also see the gender wise count. It means in this 45, how many male people are there, how many people are female people are there. Correct or not? So how you are going to do that information? It's very simple. You can go by company is your row grouping expression. In that company, you want to see the gender, right? So gender is the a column group by expression. Column group by expression. See na? So very simple. In this particular 45, 24 people are male, 20 people are female, one person blank, maybe they did not enter the gender details. Okay. In this 245, 131 people are male, 101 people are female, 9 people are blank, and 4 people are not declared. If you take this, if you take the Canada, 28 members are there. So 13 people are male, 14 people are female, and only one person blank. You understand now? That's what I mentioned very clearly. What is a row grouping? What is a column grouping? how that look and feel will come. Correct or not? Okay, perfect. See, first business would like to see each company wise active and terminated employees head count. So in this company, we will also see the a gender wise count. So gender wise count. So in this report, the row grouping is company and column group by expression is gender and the count is the summarization field we used to create this report. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. See now? So understand the requirement carefully and then you are going to apply this logic. See, one row and one column group by expression. So that's the company's row grouping expression. Gender is the column group by expression and count is the summarization. Correct or not? Perfect, guys. This is what the requirement number 2. This is the requirement number 3. So please read the requirement number 3. You can able to understand what is happening here. Business would like to see each company and gender wise active and terminated employees headcount. Anybody can think and anybody can speak out how we are able to do this.
Sir, as like
Both are in
requirement
row
to
grouping.
Hmm. One by
and filter wise, in filter we can
one. Mhm. I think if you understand carefully, we really don't need the filter condition anywhere. If you read
Yes, bro.
if you read the
In
Can
the
use
yeah,
the
yeah,
row
yes,
group
yes, sir, yes, sir.
company.
in the row
Sorry for
grouping
Row
only
group
interrupting.
as a
goes
company
company
and
and
we
gender.
go
Row
to
break.
gender.
Yes, sir.
row group one by one. See, if you speak 4 5 people one at a time, it's very difficult to understand. Okay, yeah, speak one by one. Anybody can guess. It's okay, man. It's see. It is just guessing. It is not any hard stopper, correct? Okay, just speak whatever you want because it's completely your wish. I would like to understand at least okay how many people are able to guess correctly. Okay, if something is wrong, don't worry. I will explain you. Then you have to recorrect again. Okay, I don't know why Anji bro is thinking like this. I'm unable to think like this. That is what you have to be. Okay, recollect the information and you can always redirect to the correct way. Okay, that's what the process here. Okay, yeah, anybody can speak out. Generally, business would like to see each company and gender wise active and terminated employees headcount. It's very simple. When you look into the description, you can guess easily. Anybody can
We'll take
speak.
the data source as active and terminated workers, and in the row grouping, we'll add company and gender, and in summarization field, we'll add the count.
That's it. Excellent. That's what we need. It's two row grouping expression. That's it. Company and gender is a row grouping expression and count is a summarization. All active and terminated workers is the data source. That's it. It's simple and it's good actually. See na? It's two row grouping expressions, company and gender, and count is the summarization. That's it. See, they are looking for company and gender wise active and terminated employees headcount. Earlier, they're looking for company wise active and terminated employees headcount. In that company, we will also see the gender wise count. Correct or not? It means one row grouping plus one column group by expression. Now, they're asking for company and gender wise headcount. Do you see the look and feel here? Now let me change the third requirement, how it will come. So remove the column group by expression here and it will come here. Correct or not? A multiple row grouping expression they're asking. the look and feel will come like this. As per the requirement, yes, we would like to go with the a company and general, both are in row grouping expression, count is the summarization. Business would like to see the each company and gender wise head count. Okay, yes, you must and should use the company and gender, both are in row grouping expression, and count is the summarization. And data source is all active and terminated workers. Okay, guys. Let's move to the requirement number 4. Business would like to see each company wise active and terminated employees headcount. In that company, we will also see the location and gender wise headcount. Anybody can speak out?
Data source will be all active and terminated employees.
Okay.
And for the row grouping, we'll be using company, and for the column grouping, we'll be using location and gender. And for the
Hmm.
filter thing, we'll be getting the count from the data source name. That's all terminated and active employees.
Okay. Filter, we are not using the filter.
Summarization will be
Summarization.
count.
Summarization should be count. That's it. Okay. That's what you people can. That's what, if you read the requirement, at least you are able to guess something here. That's what you people can keep grown up. Okay. See, you split the requirement. Business would like to see each company wise active and terminated employees headcount. This is what the row grouping, correct or not? So in that company, we will also see the location and gender wise headcount. It means location and gender are a two column group by expressions under company. Correct or not? Yes or no? That's what I mentioned. See, one row and two column group by expressions. Let me go one by one. Okay. First, we'll go to company group by expression. Go to, so each company wise, all active and terminated workers count you are able to get. Correct or not? Like this, it will come like this. As per the second requirement, see, in that company, we will also see the location and gender wise head count. Let's go to location first. Let's add the location in the column group by expression first and see how the look and feel will come. Okay. See now, if you take this UK, 45 members are there. In these 45 members, 44 people are in London. Correct or not? One person is in other category. Okay. It did not mention any specific location. That's why it's coming other. If you take these 245 people in USA, 95 members are in San Francisco, 43 people are Chicago, and one person maybe went to London, and New York 36 people, Dallas 23, Boston 18, correct? Sorry, 20, Atlanta 18 members, Amsterdam 1, because maybe they are just shifted to the London for temporarily, maybe, but these employees are basically belongs to USA only. But he was staying in London, maybe he's working some remotely, I don't know what is the reason. Okay, you understand? You want to see each company wise active and terminated employees count. In this company, you will also see the location wise head count. Correct or not? Now, what is my second other requirement? Gender also. Correct or not? Location and gender. Correct or not? So please add the gender also. How that look and feel will come. See guys, in San Francisco, 45 people are male. In San Francisco, 41 people are female. Do you understand the look and feel of how the row grouping is coming, how row grouping plus column grouping is coming, how row grouping plus multiple column group by people means multiple column grouping expression is coming, how multiple row grouping expression is coming? You understand the concept? Okay, this is what you people can learn. Please understand the requirement. Yes, you are able to judge the a correct row grouping expression, and you are able to guess the a correct column group by expression and exact summarization, what exactly business looking summarization. So that is very, very important. If you understand these fundamentals, we can build n number of matrix reports in work. Okay, online people. Okay, let's move to
Yes,
the
sir.
Yes, sir.
requirement number 5. Business would like to see each company wise active and terminated employees head count and also see the employees total salary and also see the maximum salary and also see the minimum salary. How can I get it?
We'll take the data source as all active and terminated workers, and
Mm-hmm.
row grouping is the company.
Mm-hmm.
And in the summarization field, we can add the count, and we can have the field total compensation, and then max of that salary. The field also we can give maximum. We can give the field, and in the field type we can give as a maximum, and in the field we can give the total salary, and then minimum maximum of that salary. We have to give 3 rows
Okay.
in the
Okay.
summarization field.
Okay. Good. I will tell you my explanation so that you can also cross verify that how we can able to simplify this. Read the requirement. See very careful. Understanding is very important. Correct. Business want to see the details of each company wise active and terminated employees count and also see the employees total salary, maximum salary and minimum salary. When you understand this requirement, it's very simple. Company is a row grouping expression and 4 summarizations we are using. That's it. See what exactly I am looking for? Company is the row grouping expression and we are going to use the F4 summarizations. Count to sum maximum minimum. That's what I am looking for. That's it. Hope you understand. That's what I mentioned very clearly. See, one
Yes,
row
sir.
grouping plus 4 summarizations. Count to sum maximum minimum. That's what they're looking for. Okay. Can I remove the column group by expressions? And then 4 summarizations. The first one is count. The next one is sum of total salary, right? Maximum of maximum salary, correct or not? And then minimum salary, right? That's what they are looking for. Each company wise, all active and terminated workers, and also they want to see the total salary. They are looking for maximum salary, minimum salary also. They're looking for multiple summarizations. Multiple summarizations. See now, you can see. You take this A Green Planet Solutions Incorporated USA, 12 members are there. Their total CTC like this. This is the highest salary and this is the least salary. Correct or not? You can see everywhere. In Korea, 10 people are there. Total salary is this. Highest salary is this. And least salary is this. Okay? Online people. Hope you understand. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So,
Yes, sir.
why it is coming zero?
Sir.
In the 8 members, these 8 people, maybe one of the person did not assign the salaries. That's why it's coming zero. Okay? There is a person is getting zero. Okay? Because it's a test environment. People are entering them. People are hiring an employee, but they're not assigning this compensation. That's why it's become zero. Is coming. That's why it's coming minimum zero. Okay? Because it's a test environment. But if you go to real time, you will get the perfect values. Hope you understand how you are going to add a group by expression and how you are able to access the multiple summarizations. That's what you read the requirement, you understand the requirement, then you are able to build this logic. That's it. I think these 5 algorithms, if you understand, yes, we can able to build n number of matrix reports in Workday. These are all the basic foundations for build the matrix reports in Workday. Okay, matrix report is nothing but a summarization report, guys. And we will also see the detailed data and different viewer options based on the requirement. I think we will see tomorrow this part, and let's complete this one first. Okay, this part. See, these all the different requirement summarizations. Read the requirements, one row grouping and one row grouping plus one column grouping and multiple row groupings, one row grouping with multiple column group by expressions and one row grouping plus multiple summarizations. I think these all the different possible scenarios for creating the matrix reports in Workday. So please go through these 5 different matrix report algorithms and try to build the logics and understand the report requirements and see the look and feel of the matrix report look and feel expressions. Okay, how one row grouping is coming, how one row grouping and one column group by expression is coming, how multiple row grouping expression is coming, how one row grouping plus multiple column group by expression is coming, how one row grouping with multiple summarizations are coming, and try to understand and see the output differentiations, how the look and feel changes. So please understand the foundations of matrix report algorithms, and we can create n number of matrix reports in Workday if you understand these 5 different algorithms. Okay. Okay, perfect. So guys, we will see tomorrow reminding things, guys. What is the detailed data and what is the different view by options? Okay, what is the different view by options? Okay, we will see tomorrow. Okay, and we will also discuss about the what is the limitations of the matrix report. Okay, we will see reminding things tomorrow, guys. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Online people, anyone have any doubts today's session?
Okay, sir.